Taking your car for a small repair can turn into a costly surprise if you are not careful. Some mechanic practices can waste money and damage your car. Knowing common red flags helps you avoid unnecessary repairs, protect your wallet, and make smarter decisions for long-term car care. Overcharging for unnecessary repairs. One of the most common problems car owners face is being charged for repairs they do not actually need. Some mechanics use fear tactics by claiming a part is about to fail, even when it is still in good condition. Because many drivers are not experts, it is easy to feel pressured into agreeing. Words like urgent or dangerous can push people to approve expensive repairs without proof. This often leads to replacing parts that could have lasted much longer. The best way to protect yourself is to ask for clear explanations and visual proof of the issue. A trustworthy mechanic should be able to show you the damaged part and explain why replacement is necessary. Getting a second opinion for costly repairs is also smart. Honest mechanics focus on safety and maintenance, not scare tactics. Being informed helps you avoid paying for work your car does not truly need. Using aftermarket parts without permission. Aftermarket parts are not always bad, but problems arise when mechanics use them without asking you first. These parts are often cheaper than original manufacturer parts, but quality can vary widely. Some aftermarket parts wear out faster, affect performance, or even reduce safety. When used without your knowledge, they can also lower your car's resale value or cause warranty issues. Many drivers only find out later when problems appear sooner than expected. To avoid this, always ask what type of parts will be used before repairs begin. If aftermarket parts are suggested, request a clear comparison with original parts. A good mechanic will explain the benefits and risks honestly. Paying slightly more for original parts can save money in the long run by preventing repeat repairs and early failures. Your approval should always come before any parts are installed. Skipping oil changes. When due oil changes are one of the most basic yet critical parts of car maintenance. Some mechanics may suggest delaying an oil change even when it is overdue, often to save time or rush the job. Old oil loses its ability to properly lubricate engine parts, leading to friction, overheating, and long-term damage. Over time, this can shorten engine life and cause costly repairs. While some modern cars allow longer oil change intervals, many vehicles still require changes every few thousand miles. Always follow the schedule recommended in your owner's manual. If a mechanic says your oil is fine despite being overdue, ask to see its condition. Regular oil changes are inexpensive compared to engine repairs. Staying consistent with this simple task is one of the easiest ways to keep your car running smoothly and avoid serious mechanical problems. Performing incomplete diagnostics. Proper diagnostics are essential before any repair is done. Some mechanics rush this step and rely on guesses instead of thorough testing. This can lead to fixing the wrong problem while the real issue remains hidden. Incomplete diagnostics often result in repeated visits, wasted money, and worsening damage over time. A warning light, strange noise, or performance issue usually has multiple possible causes. Without proper testing, a mechanic may replace parts unnecessarily. Always ask for a full diagnostic check, especially for major issues. A reliable shop will use proper tools and take time to identify the true source of the problem. Clear diagnostic results should be explained in simple terms. When diagnostics are skipped or rushed, your car's safety and reliability are at risk. Accurate diagnosis is the foundation of effective and honest car repair. Doing extra repairs without permission. No mechanic should ever perform extra work without your approval. This often happens when a simple repair turns into a long list of additional services you never agreed to. When you receive the bill, the cost is much higher than expected, leaving you frustrated and stuck. This practice is unfair and unprofessional. To protect yourself, always request a written estimate before work begins. The estimate should clearly list approved repairs and costs. If new issues are discovered, the mechanic must contact you before proceeding. Your consent is required for any additional work. A trustworthy shop respects your decisions and budget. If a mechanic performs repairs without permission, it is a major red flag. Clear communication and written approval help prevent surprise charges and ensure you only pay for what you actually agreed to, turning small issues into major problems. Some mechanics exaggerate minor issues to justify expensive repairs. A small noise, vibration, or leak may be presented as a serious failure to scare customers into spending more money. While some problems do need attention, not every issue requires full replacement or major work. Exaggeration often targets drivers who are unsure or lack technical knowledge. To avoid this, ask for clear evidence and explanations. A good mechanic will show you the issue and explain realistic repair options. Getting a second opinion is especially important when costs seem unusually high. Minor problems can often be fixed with simple, affordable solutions. When a mechanic jumps straight to worst-case scenarios, take a step back. Careful evaluation helps you avoid unnecessary expenses and ensures repairs are truly justified. Working without a written estimate. Allowing work to begin without a written estimate puts you at serious risk of overpaying. Verbal promises mean nothing when the final bill arrives with unexpected charges. Without an estimate, mechanics can add services or parts without clear accountability. A written estimate protects both you and the shop by setting clear expectations. It should include labor costs, parts, and total pricing. If the mechanic refuses or avoids giving one, that is a warning sign. Transparent shops have no problem explaining costs up front. Always review the estimate carefully before approving work. This simple step prevents misunderstandings and surprise bills. Clear pricing builds trust and helps you make informed decisions. Never hand over your keys without knowing what you are agreeing to pay. Skipping the test drive after repairs. A test drive after repairs is essential to ensure everything works properly. When mechanics skip this step, small issues can go unnoticed and become bigger problems later. A quick test drive helps confirm repairs were successful and no new issues were created. Without it, you may discover problems only after leaving the shop. This can affect safety, especially with brakes, steering, or suspension repairs. Always ask if the car was test-driven after work was completed. Reputable mechanics consider this a standard part of the job. It shows attention to detail and responsibility. Skipping a test drive often means the repair was rushed. Your safety depends on proper checks, and a short test drive can prevent serious trouble down the road. Rushing through repairs. Rushed repairs often lead to mistakes, missed steps, and poor quality work. Mechanics under pressure may skip important checks or fail to complete tasks properly. While fast service sounds appealing, quality matters more. Rushing can cause parts to fail early or problems to return quickly. This results in repeat visits and higher costs. A good mechanic takes time to do the job right the first time. Pay attention to how the shop operates. If they seem overwhelmed or careless, consider going elsewhere. Ask questions and observe how your concerns are handled. Quality repairs require patience and attention to detail. Choosing a mechanic who values thorough work helps protect your car's performance, safety, and long-term reliability. Giving a vague or generic estimate. Generic estimates that lack detail are a major red flag. When costs are not clearly explained, mechanics have room to add unexpected charges later. A vague estimate does not tell you what parts will be replaced or what labor is included. This often leads to confusion and higher final bills. Always ask for a detailed breakdown of services and costs. Each repair, part, and labor charge should be listed clearly. Transparent mechanics welcome questions and explain everything up front. If a shop avoids details or provides unclear pricing, consider it a warning. Clear estimates protect you from hidden fees and unnecessary work. Knowing exactly what you are paying for ensures fairness and trust in the repair process. Knowing what to watch for with mechanics can prevent costly mistakes and stress. Surprise charges, rushed work, and unnecessary repairs are common, but staying informed helps you spot red flags. Always ask questions, get estimates, and seek second opinions. Protect